Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. I will use a cotton yarn and hook number 2 millimeters as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 3 chains. And make 15 double crochet inside that ring. Then I will close the ring with slip stitch as shown now. After making 15 double crochet stitches, I will start round 2. I will make 5 chains as shown now. Then make double crochet, and make 2 chains. Then make double crochet and make 2 chains and make double crochet and repeat with same sequences across that row. Then close round 2 with a slip stitch as shown now. Then start round 3. I will make 3 chains. Then make 2 double crochet together into same space. As shown now. Then make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet stitch together into next space. Then make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet together again into that space. Then make 2 chains again and make 3 double crochet together again and repeat with same sequences. Here into the middle I will make 4 chains as shown now in the middle of that earrings. Then continue making 3 double crochet together into next space as shown now. Then repeat across row with same sequences for the other part, the left side of that earrings with same previous sequences. At the end I made 4 chains, then close with slip stitch into third chain of the beginning as shown now to close that round 3. Then I will start round 4. I will make 3 chains as shown now. Then make half double crochet stitch into next space. that is first half double crochet stitch. I will make 5 half double crochet stitch as shown now. Then continue making 5 half double crochet into next space and repeat that 7 times as shown now. Now I finished 5 half double crochet stitches 7 times. Then I will make 5 double crochet into that space as shown now. Second double crochet and that third double crochet, that is fourth double crochet and that is fifth double crochet. Then make 3 chains as shown now. Then make 5 double crochet again into same space. That is the middle of the earrings, and repeat with same sequences for the left side of that earrings with same previous sequences. Now I finished left side. Then I will cut and fasten our yarn as shown now. I made a pair of earrings. Then I will join a hook for that earrings as shown now. Now I finished that earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, could please subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me any question and I will reply you immediately. Thanks for watching.